One of the new products we're going to be offering at the end of September, early October 2025 is our extension cables for the ABR FTX radio system. The product is going to be available in 5-foot and 10-foot sections. It's going to come with the standard BNC male to female configuration for the HF and UHF VHF side. It'll have an extension for your power cable as well as your 10-pin connector. The assemblies will be available with 1.5-foot pigtails on both sides, and the rest of the cable is going to be wrapped to keep it nice and neat and clean. This product will be available as a custom assembly in mid to late November, so we will be able to change the lengths to whatever configuration that you're after. If you have any questions, you can reach out to us at abrind.com or call us at 713-492-2722.